Hi guys, it's Anna and Aiden here. Welcome back to our channel. So today we were supposed to have a full day of just relaxing and pool time, but at the very last minute we decided to go
to Epcot.
So we're done with the pool, showered, freshened up, and we're heading to the Skyliner to catch it to Epcot. So we're super excited and we'll take you guys along.
Okay, see you there.
See you there.
Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot International Gateway.
Okay, so we're in Epcot and our first ride is gonna be Figment. The wait times are insanely low. I think we made a great decision by coming here today. So Figment is like a walk-on. Soarin' is 10 minutes. Turtle Talk is 10 minutes. Nemo and Friends is 5. Everything is like 5 minutes. Frozen is 35 minutes. So I think we're gonna have a lot of fun. Soarin' was amazing. Aiden's like, can we go again? Of course. Andrew was a little nervous, but he held my hand and he closed his eyes when he got a little nervous, but he did it, right? High five. My baby went on Soarin' for the first time. And this guy
jump scared, like the fireworks at the end.
Yeah, he actually jumped with the fireworks. He was like
And like this one bird came out of nowhere.
oh yes. Alright, we just left our stroller. Right here. We changed the mask for this little guy because he keeps chewing on it. And we're gonna go on Nemo and Friends. Ah, I love this little ride. You like it, Ange? I know you do.
Yeah, I do.
Come this way, Andrew.
Be careful because it does.
Time for Stage of Earth. We absolutely love this ride. We're gonna miss it greatly when they are going to update it. So we just try to get on it, I should say, as much as we can before it goes. Well, it's not going, but you know, it's gonna change a little bit. just did, well, like 20 minutes ago we did Frozen, which was amazing. Now we're gonna do Touch Track. So before it was 45 minutes, now it's 35 minutes. But there's no line and it looks like inside is just moving really quickly. So I think it might be even faster than that. So we're gonna do that. And then, what time is it now? It's 8:04, the park closes at 9. So we're gonna try to head towards the gateway exit and watch the fireworks from there. So then that way, as soon as it's done, we can jump right onto the Skyliner.
Try it. Should we lower it? Wait. So should we make it skinny or fat? Let's do middle.
You ready?
Yep.
You ready?
SIM card performance data acquired.